What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Ethereum, currently sitting at 1752, up 5% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 210 billion, 24-hour volume 19.93 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit, my favorite exchange for trading. $4,000 blast off bonus for 13 more days, $30 welcome gift for 29 more days, and until December 31st, 0 fees on spot trading pairs. You can sign up through my link top of the comments. Let's hop into the chart. It's going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So what I'm looking at, this is there's a few different wave counts. The wave count I'm looking at is that we went through a wave 4 pullback and we're coming down in a wave 5. I have adjusted my sub waves here. So now what I'm looking at is we've come down in a wave 1. We're seeing a wave 2 retracement and looking to come down in a wave 3. So our wave 2 retracement zone is 1706. We've already come into the zone to 1882 with a maximum retracement of 99% of wave 1. But ideally for a wave 2 pullback, you would want to see a rejection in between 1706 and 1882. We're coming close to the golden ratio at 70.75. So if you do see a strong rejection off that level, that's when we could start to come down for a wave 3. Now I can give you a wave 3 target. Depending on where we get rejected from, let's say we get rejected from the golden ratio, then your wave 3 target would be the 1.618, which is all the way down here at about 773, which would break that previous low, put in a wave 4, and see one more wave down in a final wave 5 to complete the larger wave 5. That's a likely scenario in my opinion. There is some bullish wave counts. One of them is that we've completed a wave 1 and now we're growing through an irregular ABC correction, and within your wave C is 5 waves. So we've come down in a wave 1, we're seeing a wave 2 pullback, and then see continuation down in 3, 4, 5. To put in a wave 2 pullback, just remember that a wave 2 cannot break the low of the wave 1. So ideally you'd have to bounce in between the 0.5 at 1280 and the 0.786 at 1056 for that bullish wave count to play out. And the second bullish wave count is that all of this was a completed wave 1. We've now come back and completed a wave 2, which we've met the minimum target, which is a 0.382. We almost came down to the 0.5, and now we're beginning to push up in a 5-wave move, which would complete a wave 1 of the wave 3. All right, guys, that's a really bullish scenario, which I don't think is likely. But if we do come up and break this high, then this is a scenario we can focus on. But right now, I am focused on the bearish scenario that we put in a wave 4, and we're about to see our 5th wave down. And we've come down in our wave 1 of the wave 5. We're seeing our wave 2 pullback. If we get rejected from this zone, we come down, we break these lows here. That's where we're going to come down for a wave 3 to take you all the way down to about 773, depending on where we get rejected. This is the wave count that I'm watching here. We did have this head and shoulders pattern, but we have broken up above the right shoulder, which invalidates this structure. So we could still look at a head and shoulders, but it's ugly here. So really, I'm just watching this zone. I would expect a rejection pretty soon here. But of course, a wave 2 can retrace up to 99% of wave 1, but I don't think it's likely. I do think we'll see a rejection in between 1706 and 1882 and come down in a wave 3. That's what I think is the likely scenario. But there are these 2 bullish wave counts to look at, so we can still come down in a 5-wave move, complete a wave C, and put in a wave 2 pullback, and then shoot up in a wave 3, and the bottom would be in for Ethereum. But I don't think it's a likely scenario. All right, guys, and the really bullish wave count, we completed a wave 1, we've seen a wave 2 pullback, or pushing up in a wave 3. I know it's a lot to look at here, and you'll be like, come on, Jax, are we going to go up or are we going to go down? Well, that's why I'm telling you, I do think the more likely scenario is we're coming down in a wave 5, and right now we're seeing a wave 2 pullback for our friend ETH. All right, guys, that's basically it for this little update. Big shout out to the Discord, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my spot trades, for my leverage trades. And make sure to check out Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. $4,500 in bonuses over there. You can check out my full length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.